Good afternoon, student. Welcome to back once again for the mathematics session. Students of grade 2, today you are again going to learn about the fraction. Now, today it's time for your exercise turn. Okay, so we will discuss and learn in this fraction what things we are going to do. Let's have a look on it. First one is you have to write the fractions of shaded part of the figure given over there. Okay, what is the first picture? See here, what is the first picture is given over here? It's a triangle, right? So can you tell me, students, in this triangle how many parts are there? 3 parts, right? Out of 3 parts, how many part is shaded over there? 1 part. So how to write the shaded part fractions? So you can write here shaded part of this picture is 1/3. Shaded part of the picture is 1/3. Now students, have a look at the second picture. What is there in the second picture? It's semi-half circle. Half circle is there, right? And that half circle is divided into how many parts? Again into 3 parts. So student, tell me how many parts are shaded in that half circle? 1 part. Then how to write in the fraction? Half circle, we can write it half circle equals to 1/3. Again 1 part is shaded over there, that's why we have to say is 1/3. Now in next picture again triangle is given, right? One triangle, whole triangle is divided into how many parts? Please count over here. 6 part, right? So out of 6 part, how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. So write down again in triangle. Out of 6 part, 2 parts are shaded. Can you write it? Okay, now in next picture, that is, it's like, seems like a eraser, right? Because of this sign, symbol, see? It's look like rectangle and it's that corner side is a bit bended. So it's look like eraser, right? Okay, so students, can you tell me how many parts is exactly divided over there? 2 parts. 1 part is colored with the green color, right? So another part is left. So how to write the shaded part? Shaded part, we can write it 1/2. Can we write it? Or we can write it as a rectangle as well. Student, now, then after what is there? It's like a square, or you can say it's like a kite. And how many parts are there? 2 parts. How many parts are shaded? 1 part. Then can you write 1/2 over there? Yes. Now next picture is there. What is that picture? Can you guess which picture is this? That is, it's rectangle. Is it? That is the rectangle. Now count the pictures over there. How many parts? That rectangle is divided into how many parts? Can you guess it? Altogether it's 6 parts, right? Please count over there. Okay, out of 6 parts, how many parts are shaded in that rectangle? 2 parts out of 6. So can you write 2 parts out of 6 mean 2/6? Can you write it like this way? Yes. Now next, another square is given over there. That square is divided into how many parts? total 8 parts, right? Can you see that picture? The square is totally divided into 8 parts. Among 8 parts, how many parts are shaded? 3 parts are shaded. So, can you write 3 out of 8? Of course, you can write it. 3 parts is shaded out of 8. Now, finally, last picture of these shaded part questions. Okay. So, in this circle, how many parts is there? You can see. How can you see how many parts are over there? First, count the parts. Can you count it? Count the parts. Total 8 parts. Among that 8 parts, how many parts are shaded over there? 4 parts, right? So, 4 by 8. This is your first exercise. You have to look at your picture. You have to see how many parts are shaded over there, and then you have to write in the fraction form. This is your first question. I think you can solve it at your home. This type of questions. Now there is no any kind of confusion and doubt, right, student? Now, shall we go for the next question? Okay. Now, one by one, we are going to add the questions. Okay, students, one big questions for you, okay? Have a look on this circle. I have shown you 4 different circles over there with the shaded part, right? So, can you say me first, how many parts are shaded in the first circle? Can you write it? First part of the circle. First circle. In first circle, how many parts are shaded? Can you say me? 1 part is shaded out of 2 parts. So, we call it as a 1/2. Right, student? Now, second. In second circle, that second circle is divided into 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, 1 part is shaded. We call it as a 1/3. Okay, now, third circle. What is there in third circle? How many parts are there? Altogether, there are 4 parts. Right, students? So, in these 4 parts, how many parts are shaded over here? 1 part out of 4. Then we call it as a 1/4 or quarter. Okay, can you write 1/4 or quarter or not? Yes. Now, last picture is there, fourth circle. In fourth circle, tell me how many parts are there? Altogether, there are 4 parts. And out of 4 parts, how many parts are shaded? 3 parts. So, how to write? 3 by 4. And how to write in words? 3 out of 4th. 3 by 4th. Can we write it like this way? Okay, students, I think you can write the number in the fraction as well as in the form of words. Okay, same like this picture is one for your assignment. That is for your, next picture is for your assignment. Okay, student. Now, student, we have another questions for you. Okay, student. So, after reading and learning, you are able to write down the fraction form by looking at the picture, and you can able to write in words as well, right? So, let's add some of the numbers, some of the fractions, and subtract also from the sum of the fractions. Okay, let's do it. Have a look on this first question here. Add the following. See here, first one is 1 by 4 when it is added to 1 by 4, then what will be the answer? Among these two, please take 1 as a 4, single one, okay? And when you add 1 and 1, then it will be 1 plus 1 equals to 2 by 4. Can we write it like this way? Okay. Now B number, what is the question over there in B number? 1 by 5 is when it is added with 2 by 5. Then student, tell me, 1 plus 2 is how much? It's 3. Can you rewrite it? 1 plus 2 by 5 equals to 3 by 5. Obviously, right? You can write it like this way. Now next, what is the next question is here in C number? 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Now tell me what is the answer of 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8? Tell me fast, student. 1 by 8 plus 4 by 8 equals to what is the answer? And 5 by 8 plus 1 by 8, what will be the answer? Tell me, student, fast. Okay, 1 plus 4, 8 will be 5, 5 by 8, 5 plus 1, it will be 6, write down 6. This from among 2, let's take it one common. Why we used to take only one single common, do you know? Okay, let's have one example. Okay, I have one apple, right? From that apple, I cut into 8 pieces. From that 8 pieces, your mother kept that pieces in your plate for us. So, if I took 5 pieces from that apple and you are taking 1 piece, then altogether how many pieces we have 8 over there? It will be 6. 5 I have taken and 1 you have taken, right? So, total is 6. Now, how many left over there? 2 in the plate, okay? So, that means 8 they are the common. So, you have to take common only one single 8, okay? Now, like that, we have next question, that is 2 by 3 when added with 1 by 8. Can we write it? 2 by 3 when it is added with 1 by 3, what will be the answer? 4 by 5 when it is added with 1 by 5, then what will be the answer over there? Go on. I will write the question for you. You have to say the answer by yourself, okay? Now, student, have you written the answers? I hope so. See, students, now tell me the answer. 3 is common. Let's take a common as a 3. Now add 2 plus 1. It's 3. Oh, 3 and 3, when we cut it, then it becomes one whole. Do you understand? 4 by 5, 1 by 5 is there, right, students? So, 4 plus 1, 5 by 5 is there. Can we write it directly 1 or not? 5 by 5 means one whole apple is eaten, already completed, right, student? That means 5 by 5 means one whole apple is taken by. We have already ate it. Okay, that means 3. Okay, same like here, 3 plus 4. Then what will be the answer? 7 by 7. That means, what will be the answer? It's also 1. Okay, now can you say me 5 plus 3? 8. Now see, student, here is 8, below is 7. Why? One apple is not sufficient, so we need to cut another apple also. Do you understand? 7 plus 1 is 8, so we can write it like this way. 7 plus 1 is 8, so 7 by 7 means one whole apple, then 1 by 7 in another apple, 1 pieces we have it and still 6 pieces are left over there in the plate. So, one whole apple already finished, and another from another apple 1 piece is taken, and remaining 6 pieces are still over there. So, can we write it like this way or not? This denotes for the more number of apples over there. Okay, I hope now you will be able to solve these all kind of problems. Okay, students, now let's have a look for the next question. If there are coming 3 digits for addition, then how to do? Shall we do it? Okay, now let's go on doing next question. Okay, it's I number, that is 1/7 when we add to 1/7 plus 3/7, then what will be its answer? Tell me, student, what will be its answer? Okay, let's take 7 as a 7 single common number over here, and upper all the digits should be right here, 1 plus 1 plus 3. Now, can we write it? 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5/7. Can we write it 5/7? Yes. Now, I have next question for you. What is the next question? Do you know, student? Okay, next question is, when 2/9 is added with 3/9 plus 1/9, then what will be its answer? Have you written? Now tell me the answer. Let's take a common 9. 2 plus 3 plus 1. What will be the additions of 2 plus 3 plus 1? It's 6. 6/9. Can we write it? Okay, now additions is over. So, are you feeling easy to add the number? Add the fraction? So, these all having same number, we call it as a like fraction. It's a new term for you. Okay, grade 2 students. We call it as a like fraction. So, it's very easy to add the like fraction, right, students? Yeah, it's very easy. Now, let's do the subtract. Same like it. Okay, let's have a look on subtraction. So, here are some questions for you. Have you seen some questions? Subtract the following over here. Okay, students, over here, how many questions are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we are going to solve 6 different solutions. Okay, questions. We need a solution. So, how to solve it? Ready to solve? Okay, student. See here in the first question. Out of 5/8, I need to subtract the fraction of 1/8. Right. So, shall we subtract it? Okay, how to subtract? See here, student. Just like in additions, here also take the common number over here, that is 8. Right. Now, 5 minus 1, we have to write 5 minus 1. Can we write it 5 minus 1? Very good. So, 5 minus 1, it will be the 4. Out of 5, I need to remove 1. Then how many left? 4. You can count over here. It's 4. 4/8. Do you understand? Okay. Now, it's for the next question. That is, next question is 2/5. B number. 2/5 is 1/5. So, student, have a look over here. Same like before, let's take 5 and 5 as a single common number as a 5. Now write down 2 minus 1. If we subtract 2 minus 1 or 1 out of 2 digits, then what will be left? There are 2 digits. If I remove 1, then how many digits will left? 1. So write down 1 by 5. Done? It's very easy, right? Okay, now third number. C number. 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Can we solve the problem? Okay, write down, please write down. 2 minus 1, again 1 by 3 is the answer. So, can you write it? Yes, you are faster, right? So, you can write it. Okay, now see, D number. 3 questions of the subtractions are completed. It's number 4. Now, student, in 4 number, that is 4 by 7 and 3 by 7 is there. Can we subtract it now? Okay. 7 should be written here. 4 minus 3 equals to 1 by 7. Are you writing the same answer? Of course. Right, students? Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the question in E number? It's 5 by 9 and 3 by 9. It's good. Okay, student. Write down. Take a common. What is the common over there? 9. And 5 minus 3. What will be the answer? 2 by 9. Do you understand? Okay. Now, if 3 digits are there for the subtraction, then how to subtract it? Let's have a look. Okay, over here. 4 by 7 is there, minus 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 is there. Okay, student. First of all, let's take these 2 digits, 2 fractions. 4 by 7, or you can take it common. So, let's take this 2 digit as common 1. Okay, that is 1. 7, 7, 7 will be common. 4 minus 2. Right? So, here this number should be written as same. This fraction should be written as same. So, 4 minus 2 is 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Again, let's take this 2. 7, 7, 7 will be common. 2 minus 1, 1 by 7 will be the answer. 1 by 7 will be the answer. So, student, can you solve the 3-digit one subtractions also from the fractions? I hope so, student. Now, grade 2 students, let's have a review of class today. Okay, I have shown you the different pictures over here. So, from that pictures, you have already find out the sum of the shaded part fractions, right? I hope you can do that type of question at your home. One assignment I have provided to you, right? Have you remembered that assignment? Yes. You have to follow that assignment, and in next class I will say the answer of that assignment. Okay. And another thing, have you add the fractions? Yes, it's very easy to add the fraction, right? 2 digit we have done, 3 digit we have completed. Now it's time for the subtractions. Subtractions also we have completed of 2 digit and 3 digit, right? So students, it's all about today's class. I hope you are watching it carefully. So, next day in next class with your assignment, I will be there. Till that time, stay safely at your home.